you remove all the risk for the other person. You do all the work up front and you split the profits. But here is why that makes sense. Because they already have the audience in place. So you don't have to assemble the audience. There is no cost in getting that audience. More important than that, trust. The difference between somebody who's a warm, receptive person and somebody who's a cold stranger can make subpar marketing. You could be okay at pitching and make millions of dollars with a very warm audience. And you could be world class at pitching and make $0 with a cold audience. I strike out. I don't sell out all the time. Not every single webinar I do makes me $1 billion, right? There are times when I hit zeros, just like Michael Jordan missed his shots. You know, James Harden missed 24 three-pointers in a row in the conference finals this year in the NBA. Still took the 25th shot. He was still arguably the most valuable person to that team, the Rockets. He was, by the way. But sometimes you miss. But the idea here becomes it doesn't really matter when you could start out small like this, no risk to them. You take on all the risk, but they already have the audience and they're warm, so you're stacking all the deck in your favors.